Hey, family, this is Darlene stopping by real quick on this Sunday evening. I don't know what time it is either. I think it's like close to 9 or it might even be after 9 o'clock. Stopping by to let you know that I will soon be doing Facebook Lives on my Jewelry by BDK Facebook page. It'll either be the Jewelry by BDK Facebook page or it might even be my personal page, which is Darlene Knight. Um, I'll decide which one, not really sure. Whichever one I do the lives on, I will share it to the other page. And I'm thinking I'll do it on my personal page first just to kind of get things started. And I've been doing some just some kind of practice runs. I set everything up in my studio and set the camera up and laid everything out and wrote notes and did all that kind of stuff. So the whole idea is to, when I actually begin doing the Facebook Lives, I don't want to be like tripping through stuff and not knowing my own product and that type of thing. Just kind of make it a smooth maybe 30-minute show just to begin, and then kind of weigh it out and see how it works, and then gradually add another 5 or 10 minutes, depending on what the pieces are that I will be showing. I will also be giving away some lovelies on my Facebook lives and doing some other stuff too. So be sure to boogie on over to the Jewelry by BDK Facebook page and also my personal page if you like, which is Darlene Darlene, and then the last name is Knight, Knight. And one of the ladies was saying that she found me on my personal page, but I don't see you. You didn't send a friend request or anything. So if you want to send a request to my personal page, that's cool too, Darlene Knight. And you can also like the Jewelry by BDK Facebook page. And I've gotten like, man, probably 30 subscriptions, email subscriptions, in maybe the last month. And I have to go through those emails on the website and, put you guys in the master email list that I have. I just haven't had the chance to do that yet. I've just been real busy with stuff and trying to stay on top of things. But I will one day this week add you all to the mass email list, and then that way you should begin to get emails sent to you from Jury by BDK. Yours truly, Darlene Knight. Okay. Just wanted to say thank you for being supporters. Thank you for being subscribers. Miss Linda, absolutely positively welcome to the circle. Miss Linda and every other one of you guys. Thank you so much. Hoping that you're learning some things, you're picking up some tips. I'm going to do maybe tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do it tomorrow. Just a quick, not a tutorial, but just to show you that I am selling on another uh, wholesale platform. So I'm gonna pull that up and then show you that and everything. And I had a couple of ladies mention that if they're selling, they don't sell in bulk, but it's fine that you don't sell in bulk. And that's the cool thing about the platforms. You don't have to sell in bulk. And then think about it. Some of the people that are buying, they might have like small boutiques or little stores, and they may not want 20 of the same item. They might just want one absolutely amazing item, and it's only one of, that kind. So that's really cool too. So don't even worry about it. And if you would like for me to send you the link so that you could apply on fair.com, send your request to jewelrybybdk@gmail.com, and then I will send you the link. And also what I'll do is I'll put that link in. In fact, I'll begin to do that. I'll begin to put the link in the description of my videos. I'll do that, and then that way it makes it easier. If you want to apply, you can just go ahead and do that. And I do get some type of incentive for it. Not that I'm pushing it for the incentive, but they do give me, just being transparent with you all, they do give me some type of incentive. Not really sure what that is, but it's something. What else was I going to tell you? Something else I was going to tell you, but I absolutely forgot what that was, but we won't even worry about that right now. Oh, and if you have a website, it would be great if you have a website, especially for fair.com. So if you have a website, because I know they ask you if you have a website. So if you do have a website, be sure to include that. Make sure that the website is updated. Really clear pictures, really pretty pictures. Descriptions are well, the no typos and that type of stuff, because I'm sure they go and look at those things. Right. And see, we've been having the conversations about the importance of having an online presence. So when you begin to want to do those things like sell on platforms and wholesale and then those type of things, sometimes there are things that are required. And I do believe a website is one of them for fair.com. Okay. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. Guess what, folks? We'll talk soon.